Hi, welcome to Thiru Academy. Today we are going to discuss about ngStyle property. Okay, in our previous videos we have seen about directives. Okay, we have three types of directives. One is component, and another one is structural, and third one is property directives. Okay, in that last one is property directives. In this we will see one example, that is ngStyle. Okay, property directive or attribute directive. Okay, example ngStyle, to apply styles and elements. We can apply the styles for HTML elements by using ngStyle property directive. Okay, we'll see one example so that you will get more knowledge about this. Okay, style property example వచ్చేసి, for example, if we take div style equal to color red, we can mention like this. For that, if you want, I want to display this number value in red color, we need to display like this. Okay, we'll see one example so that you can get more knowledge about how dynamically we can apply colors and properties. Okay, this is a static panning. Okay, dynamically through condition I need to change that color of that property, okay, of that value. Okay, how we can see, let's see how we can do. Let's see, I'm creating new project. See, sorry, I need to open command prompt. Okay, ng new ng style project, sorry, and this style project. I don't want to installing node modules, right? I'm closing this one. Okay, ng style project. From here I'm opening command prompt. Okay, JS, I'm starting this application. I'll refresh this one. It is taking little bit time. During this time I'll open this in Visual Studio Code. Open folder, new ng style project. Okay, we don't want this. Welcome page, control P is the command to search that file names. app.component.html. I'm opening app.component.ps. See whether our application is, yeah, it's running. Just we have displayed hi message. Okay, here I am taking number equal to 100 I am taking. Okay, and displaying this number here, just number I am displaying. See, 100 it is displaying, right? Okay, I'm removing this hi. See, this number I'm taking inside that div tag. Okay, see, fine, right? Yes, this 100 it is displaying. Here style I am using. Okay, property color colon red I am giving. Okay, it is displaying in red color. Fine. See, whenever I have modified this number value, I need to change the color also. Okay, how we can write that, we'll see. Just I'm displaying one text box here. In our previous video also we have seen that whenever we have modified in text box, we need to modify that value also. Like that I am creating. Okay, text ng model I'm using text 1, blur is the function using here function 1. Okay, fine. Here first of all we are using two-way data binding text, so that we need to import that forms module here. ng model is available in forms module, so we are imported forms module here in app.module.ts file. Okay, text is the property we need to define here. Okay, string or any I am displaying. Okay, fine. Here function 1 is the function we need to implement here. Okay, to modify that number value. Okay, this dot number equal to this dot text. Fine, right? See, it is displaying the text box. Okay, I am entering 100. It is displaying 100. Is 100, right? Here I am giving 150. After giving, I am pressing tab button so that it is modifying. This is the blur is the event we need to use here. Whenever we press tab, it needs to be function needs to be call. Whenever we press tab button, this function will call and will modify that number value so that it is modifying in browser also. Okay, 200 I am giving. So it's displaying in always in red color. I need to modify this dynamically. This number color I want to modify dynamically. Whenever I have changed the based on that condition, I want to modify. Okay, how I can modify that one? See here. Okay, ng div style static content we have taken here. Instead of this, I am taking ng style. I am taking. See, ng style. ng style. See here, number, right? Number less than 100. Ternary operator, right? We are following that condition. If it's number less than 100, we need to display this in color colon red. I am taking colon. If it is false, color colon blue I am taking. Yes, we need to display this in single quotes. Okay, yeah, error gone, compiled already. Let's see output how it is displaying based on this condition. If its number is less than 100, it needs to be displayed in red. Okay, 99 tab red color. Okay, 999 tab blue color it is displaying, right? See the difference. Based on that condition, dynamically we are changing that this property color, right? See, if it's I am displaying background color, adding some more features. Background color. we need to take it in single quotes. See, it will see whether it is working or not. 10. No, it's not working. It is color only, it is applying. Let's see now. No, it's also not working. 1 second, I'll check. Yes, there is a spelling mistake in background color. That's why it is not applying. Okay. See, if it's 100, there is no background color. If it is 10, it is a dark color, right? Silver. See, it is then whether this is there or not. If its color is existing, definitely it will work. Yeah, CN working, right? Yeah, if we press 1000, it needs to be displaying blue color. Why? Because if it's true, we are displaying in blue color only. Okay. Okay, if it is will apply same background color for true condition also. If it is true, it needs to be displayed in silver color. Okay, see the output. Yeah, it's already, 150 blue color and background color is silver. Width I am applying, width colon 50 pixel. I'm giving. Yeah, see, 100. It's already there. No need to test. Okay. Yeah, 50. 99. It's red color and background color is CN. Like this, we need to apply background ngStyle. Okay. Like this, we need to use ngStyle property binding. This is the last property binding we are explaining. In next video, we'll see one more concept. Okay, whatever the concept you want, please let me know in comment box. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.